Ada both to them eating together. Hot dog. Tapos mayroon akong Chinese na noodles. Tsaka yung Chinese na rice. Here, talaga, Marco. Yeah, Pepsi. I don't like Pepsi. Pepsi died? Ada red? O blue? Give me, there is red or nothing? There is red? Give me. Please. Sabi half?
I will go on.
Nice.
The whipping cream, no problem.
Please, sabi. Close the phone.
I will go on.
My dinner. May Chinese rice ako. Tsaka Chinese noodles. May hot dog. May kula. Ay, sakit ng ulo ko, guys. Kain tayo. Yan ang Chinese noodles. Ano to? Galing to ng Matam. Tira. Masarap yung kanin yun. Ang kanin talaga ng Pilipinas. Parang napaaga ako ngayon kumain. Kasi maaga ako natapos ng plancha. Ayan guys, kain tayo. Gusto ko yung kanin. Sarap yung kanin. Parang ano siya. May tawag nito eh. Ano yung tawag nito eh? Kalimutan ko. Sarap. Lamig. Pag malamig, sakit yung ulo ko. Hindi ko kaya yung lamig. Wala na tayong ma-vlog. Kaya mag-vlog na lang tayo yung kumakain, yung naglilinis, yung nagplansa. Ang buhay natin na OFW, nasa loob ng bahay. Parang mainit na. Nag-isa na lang ako kumakain, tapos nasa kumain ang kasamahan ko. Ako na lang. Tapos tinirhan nila ako dito. Di ba, mabait sila. Mabait sila kasi yung mga damit nila ako naglalaba. Kaya mabait sila sa akin. Gusto ko si Binap. Hindi naman ako pala inom ng ng soft drinks kasi hindi ako matakaw sa soft drinks, masakit yung ko, kilid. Ano to, Robian? Parang hipon ito eh. Hipon. Kain na lang tayo ng hipon, isang piraso, dalawang piraso, Hindi ako kumakain ng hipon, guys. Kumakain na ba kayo ng hapunan? Video natin para may update na naman tayo. Wala tayong video. Ngayon ako kumain ng kanin paggabi. Paggabi ayaw ko kumain ng kanin. Ngayon nasarapan ako sa kanin. No? Sarap. Sarap talaga sa kanin. Dandahanin natin guys, pampatay ng oras. Buti pa sa Saudi nag-snow. Dito sa Kuwait walang snow. Kailan kaya mag-snow ng Kuwait? Walang snow sa Kuwait. Gusto ko makaano ng snow, makatouch ng snow. Nakatouch ako ng snow dito sa freezer, dami. Lamig kasi. Ayaw ko malamig dyan yung ulo ko. Sakit. Hindi ko maubos. Uubusin ko talaga to. Sayang, wala na ito bukas. Restaurant pa naman to galing. Uwil kasi. Pag mag-isa ka kumain guys, mabilis ka nang mabusog. At saka parang walang gana kumain na mag-isa ka. Sanay pa naman ako kumakain na kasama ko sila. Wala, tapos na sila eh. Nagutom daw sila eh. Nagplansa ako sa taas. Sabi ko, kain na lang kayo. Ito tinira nila. Kaya, nag-isa na lang ako. Kaya walang ingay sa kilid ko. Kasi nag-isa lang ako. Who together, Faye friend?
Atin, force. Maybe she's sleep here. I don't know her family if somebody.
Muyar mo.
Kurtoba.
Kurtoba.
Yeah.
Ada family Ulawa also mama house.
Yeah, something.
There in Hatin had a new house.
Hatin had her own house, I think, separate like.
Hatin
She's
new
always in Hatin.
had a new house Hatin.
Yeah. And
But in Cordoba old house.
something.
But I think kuha mama, ada grandmother I think.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Nuts pay also.
And this.
But rice I like.
Nice, I know, because I'm thinking yesterday's dry rice.
Nice rice. No spoil. But oil the noodle. But I eat. Nice. You seen also Hua and Cordoba, all our driver coming.
No, driver come now.
Ang time 11:30 nung huli naka people. Mama sometimes late go. They understand. Before they always sit basement. Pay.
Today also she wanted to go, but then Mama said, Kati said, I will go. Because Mariam said no.
Miriam nyo na ni ka?
No, only Lisa came.
I know see because when I go down, Lisa coming.
Mm.
And Yasmin. But I didn't see. When Lisa coming down in Sayara, I saw. Sumo natin sa?
No food at their place. Who's taking that?
Sumo. Sumo natin sa? Ay, sumo no coming din eh.
I think so.
No.
Yeah. Before also no eat too much with no.
Sometimes they eat.
Finish cooking at us 9 o'clock. Nice time to eat.
Yeah, yeah.
Finish. Go sleep 10 o'clock like this.
Before this time, too much busy. Cooking. Going up, running down, cooking, going, but then going. Mire, I don't know how to cook fish. Galante. This drama sa Not really cooking. Nada. So, alatul.
Couple alatul.
Yeah.
Also sir cook only.
Alatul, I still making that with my fish. Then I know it been fish na cook. I like fish cooked dry. I have fish. I want to make fried. I buy a mackerel fish. Big. I don't know Christmas na sa mga kumani.
Christmas which day what?
No see.
Day,
No see also Christmas. What
Morning
the?
I will go on talented service. I will see what she was doing.
No see also Christmas. What day? I don't know.
And the mass is 2:45. So I have to be in church at least 2 o'clock.
Maybe I know go 25. Crowded. Baba coming 24 also. Maybe New Year going in Shada, I think. My chocolate haram expire coming. I want to give Bilma. Go travel this coming 1 or 2 January. Mako choice anak. But then I will send my carton. Maybe I will tell for her. Haram it expire rather March or April. No can get my cargo.
I think Marco and so if we give for so tomorrow we can cook again after 2 days.
So mo nung eating?
I know he wanted only little I give. This 1 liter chicken and noodles.
Samanting all hair take inside.
Afternoon no. Afternoon she gave them 1 liter hot dog. Now Marco
I know like too much hot.
give me some more so more only wide go. Tomorrow we will cook some more.
My punis.
Nice, you eat first, I'm thinking, Mary taking food, she will eat. I don't believe her, my heart.
I'm done.
No, Mary will not eat so much food, but she. Thank you, Jesus. If nice, we can eat little, huh?
She thinking I know dance, I am done. Marco.
Okay. Number one time we eat, sir.
For me only little eat okay. But ada too much ada.
Now finish, sir. Till morning we will not eat anything.
Again eat.
We are full, see now. Finish.
Sometimes, afternoon lunch, I know it, Adeline. I go down, I know it. But then when I come, sometimes I wake up, I drink coffee down. I coming up, sometimes I'm hungry, I eat. But like this, not always eating.
Yeah.
Now our old, it's done. Thank you guys for watching.
Bell. Also don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching my video.